Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you love beautiful handmade fashion, then you're in for a real treat today. In this video, we'll be exploring a stunning collection of crochet dress designs that are stylish, elegant, and absolutely eye-catching. Whether you're looking for inspiration for your next crochet project, searching for a unique outfit idea, or simply admiring the artistry of crochet fashion, this collection has something special for you. Crochet dresses have become increasingly popular because they combine creativity, comfort, and timeless beauty. Each design showcases the incredible skill and attention to detail that makes crochet fashion so unique. From delicate stitch patterns to intricate textures, these dresses highlight the endless possibilities that crochet can offer. As you watch, you'll notice a variety of styles, colors, and patterns. Some dresses feature classic and elegant designs that are perfect for special occasions, while others offer a more casual and relaxed look that can be worn every day. No matter your personal style, there's sure to be a design that captures your attention and sparks your creativity. One of the most amazing things about crochet dresses is their versatility. They can be customized with different yarn colors, stitch combinations, and decorative details to create truly one-of-a-kind pieces. Whether you prefer simple and sophisticated designs or bold and fashionable statement pieces, crochet allows you to express your personality through handmade fashion. Take a close look at the beautiful craftsmanship displayed in each dress. Notice the intricate patterns, the elegant shaping, and the thoughtful details that make every design unique. These dresses are more than just clothing, they are works of art, created with patience, passion, and creativity. If you're a crochet enthusiast, these designs may inspire your next project. You might discover a new stitch pattern, a fresh color combination, or a silhouette you've never considered before. As we continue through this collection, feel free to imagine how each design could be styled for different occasions. Some would look perfect for summer outings, beach vacations, garden parties, or casual gatherings, while others could easily become elegant outfits for special events. Thank you for spending time with us and exploring these gorgeous crochet dress designs. We hope this collection inspires your creativity and helps you discover new ideas for your crochet journey. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more beautiful crochet fashion ideas, dress designs, and handmade inspiration. Let us know in the comments which dress design was your favorite. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful collection of cute, stunning, and fashionable crochet dress designs. Happy watching, and we'll see you in the next video.